Hello. So in this video I wanted to share a product review with you of a detergent that helped me to get the smell out of some clothes that I could not for the life of me get out of those clothes any other way. The story behind it is that somebody who very kindly washed some of my little boy's clothes when he was a baby, so a little bundle of his jumpers, used a product that did not smell fantastic on its own, but then the clothes got left in their washing machine and then developed a mildew smell on top of that. So kind of gross detergent that went rancid and then had that mildewy smell added to it. It did not matter how much I tried washing them again using my regular detergent. I tried stain remover. I tried bleaching them out in the sunlight, just hanging them up to dry. I tried my essential oils detergent, which has never failed me before, but could not get this stench out. I tried lemon. I tried everything. And so with that in mind, I had put those clothes away in storage, just thinking if I have another little boy someday, I don't want to part with these. I have too many good memories associated with these jumpers. Fingers crossed something will surface that will get the stink out. So now, expecting my second little boy any day now, I've been preparing and washing stuff, and sure enough, a product has surfaced that made it possible to get the stench out. So I've been able to recover those jumpers, and my new little guy gets to wear them too, which I'm really happy about. So the product is Purex Dirt Lift Action Odor Release. So I didn't use any fabric softener or anything afterwards. There were no other perfumes or anything involved. All I did was I put those clothes in the washing machine, one load, one run through with this stuff, and when they came out the other side, the odor was gone. There's not even a hint of it. They smell clean again, so I get my little baby boy's clothes back. I'm so excited about that, and for that reason, when I find a product that's that good, I do like to share those things. I needed to share this one with you. So if you have something, especially if it's sentimental and it stinks, run it through the wash with this, and fingers crossed for you, there's a really good chance you're going to get it back and be able to enjoy it again. So with that, I hope that product review is helpful, and if it was, please like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you have any questions or comments, be sure to share them. And I hope you have a great day. All the best. Bye.